I think my favorite part of the workshop was probably the relevance. Like, generally when you do something you think, no, I have to be 30 or 40 or 50 even to start being able to do something that's going to improve my life later on, or I don't know, it actually just showed that you are here now, you can do something now that's going to improve later on. You have a value now and you can do something to improve your life.
So for me, it's just studying all of this and sitting behind a textbook. It's so different to actually get your foot into the industry and everything like that. It's completely different, and the amount of information that people tell you, especially when it comes from like opinions and whatever, textbook is very black and white, you know, but now you hear it from everyone else's perspective, and also from like a South African point of view, because some of our textbooks are American and things like that. So it's just so nice to actually have it in a practical sense rather than just sitting behind textbooks and studying.
Well, everything was like really informative to me, but the one that I enjoyed the most was that delay of the cost of delaying savings. So like now I realized like, okay, I actually need to like start saving now, put it in a tax-free savings account, and then like also really enjoyed the estate duty.
I enjoyed the estates and wills part of the session today. It's really interesting, and like also seeing how it being set up and what to do, and actually how much money you need to to sustain a family once you've passed away.
That they use for like a few beginners, like I know like all that was studying law, the terminology they used was a bit like advanced, even for me who I had done financial management but like a year ago. So just for me to like, I had to like rethink, and Gavin does speak really fast, so I just think if they can just like, I don't know, before the workshop maybe give them like a terminology sheet, just so that when he does say something, when he's done speaking eventually, then you can just check what it is so you're on the same page.
I like the practical examples that he gave us, that we could like see how to start somebody with a financial plan and like what to do. So maybe like do more examples and maybe like more homework questions where you go back and you try and like work through it by yourself.